Yo, what is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're here at the junkyard. As you guys can see, I pull, you pull right here in Pomona, and I came to look for that part for the Acura. I just found this 2003 Acura 3.2 TL Type S, which is the same car that we have. So basically I showed you guys how it works. You go to the front, you tell them what car you're looking for, what part you need. They'll give you a printout. They'll tell you exactly where it's at. They told me row 33, there's a black one there, and it has a tail light that you're looking for, and it's right here. It's that easy, guys. You can come into the junkyard, get in, get out, and go on with your day. So right now I found the part. I found the brake light failure sensor that we're looking for. If this car doesn't work, they also gave me another option, row 34. There's a gray Acura right there. We can go into that one, see if there's anything that we need from there. But I think I'm gonna find what I need here on this one. This is a 2003 3.2 TL Type S, so it's the same car. I'm gonna take this brake light failure sensor off, and then we're gonna keep going and see if there's anything else I can use off this Acura. If not, we'll go to the other one. All right, cool. So we're here at the junkyard today, guys. Just gonna take my brake light failure sensor out of here. I actually have to remove the tail light, so I think it's a couple 8mm shit, which I don't think I brought. Oh, I think I did. That's another thing when you go to the junkyard. You have to know what you're looking for and what tools you're gonna need, because you might go to the junkyard, you find the part that you need, and if you don't bring a specific socket that you're gonna need, then you're gonna have a long day going back and forth. The good thing is you can always come back in if they stamp your hand. So let's see. All right, 6 little 8mm nuts. Yes, there it is. I gotta undo this connector in here. You see that? I gotta undo that connector and then it'll come off. All right, got the tail light off. Got my little brake light failure sensor here. I can take the whole tail light. They're actually 15 bucks. It's 15 bucks for the whole tail light assembly. All I need right here is a brake light failure sensor, but I can make some extra money if I take the entire assembly and sell it on OfferUp or something like that. And they're on sale today. So today's Sunday. Today's the last day that these tail lights are going to be on sale, so that's when you want to take advantage. All right, so I follow these guys. I follow iPull on Instagram, and I follow them on YouTube. So whenever there's a sale, I know, like last week I think they had seats or whatever. I didn't need any seats, so I didn't come. But today they said the last day for the taillights is today, so I'm here. I might take the whole assembly if it's cheaper. I think it might be 15 bucks for a taillight. You can't go wrong there. All right, guys, back home now. So look, I ended up getting the entire headlight assembly, and I got the one for the right side also, just because they were cheap. Okay, I got the right side and I got the left side. The left side is the one that has a brake light failure sensor on it. So I got them because they were cheap. They were on sale. So right now what I'm gonna do is I'm actually just gonna take the brake light failure sensor from there and swap it to the one that's in the car. And then I'm gonna go ahead and sell these lights separate, like on OfferUp or Letgo or Craigslist or something like that. And I'm gonna make my money back. All right, so I'm not losing any money here. But hopefully this brake light failure sensor works, because if it's defective, then we just went to the junkyard and wasted our time. But there's something satisfying about going to the junkyard and just taking it apart, you know? It's like, I don't know. It's like therapy for me. So I don't know. Comment down below, guys. What do you guys think about the junkyard? Do you guys like going there or not? I mean, this right here beats going to O'Reilly's, asking for your brake light failure sensor, getting a brake light switch, and then having to come back home because nobody can get your part. It's a special order. It's from the dealer only or the junkyard, which was these two assemblies were like, it was 30 bucks for both of them. I'm pretty sure this part alone would be more expensive from the dealership. So anyways, we're gonna get to working on the Acura. It's right here behind me. Got the Acura right here. We're gonna put a brake pedal depressor, and I'm gonna show you that the lights still don't work, so I haven't done any work to it. And then we're gonna just swap the brake light failure sensor, see if it works, and then if it does, then we're good. We'll get to something else on this car. Okay, got that brake pedal depressor on there. You can see the center brake light right there. That one is lit, but nothing on the left, nothing on the right. All right, so we're gonna swap this brake light failure sensor and we're gonna fix it. Remember I said at the junkyard there was 6 8mm nuts that we gotta take off, so let me take those off real quick. Alright, so here's that brake light assembly. To get to the brake light failure sensor, we gotta move this out of the way. There's an 8mm bolt holding it in, so let me take that off real quick. Just one little bolt holding it in, and now we can take this off. All right, so put that right there. Get this one out. All right, so this is the one we picked up from the junkyard right here. Put that on here. Okay, so there's that new piece, straight from the junkyard. Well, not new, but used, but hopefully good. So let me pop this tail light back in. All right, before I button everything up, I'm just gonna plug it in and make sure that it works. So I'm gonna plug this connector in. Okay, now we're gonna plug in the brake light failure sensor. And boom, you guys can already see that. Look at this. See that? We got brake lights, homies. We got brake lights right there. Center brake light right there, and our right brake light. Now this one of the bulbs is out, so we can easily change that. We'll get on that right now. Let me change it real quick. All right, just put a new bulb in there. You can see we got brake lights on the right rear. We got brake lights on the high mount, and we got brake lights on the left rear, homies. There you go, brake light failure sensor. I diagnosed it. Here you go. You can see the problem right there on that top pin, the top right pin. You can see how it's all burnt. So this is it. Brake light failure sensor, 2003 Acura 3.2 TL Type S. All right, guys, that's it. Fix the brake lights on this Acura 3.2 TL Type S. So we're fixing this car little by little. All right. So we got a couple door locks that don't work. I believe I have an oil leak on this car too that we're gonna be looking at in upcoming videos. So if you're new here, consider subscribing, hit that little notification bell so that you're notified every time I drop a new video. Today is Tuesday, January 31st. It's the last day of the year. It's the last giveaway of the year. I know we missed one last week, but we're gonna make it up, don't worry. So for today, since it is January 31st, the last day, the last giveaway, what I'm gonna be giving away is, boom, right there, this YA301 OBD2 reader code scanner. This is good for all you beginners out there that are coming into the automotive field. All right, so I'm gonna be giving this one away today. The light that was given away last week or the week before that was already sent out, so the winner for that giveaway should have already gotten this light, so this is gonna be next. If you want to be entered in the giveaway for this scanner, all you gotta do is drop a like on this video right here, homies. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that little notification bell. We just hit 13,000 subscribers. I was aiming for 15 for the end of the year, but 13K is not bad. To be honest, it ain't bad. All right, so drop a like, subscribe, hit the little bell, and drop a comment. And in the comment, you gotta include hashtag chingadera once again. Hashtag chingadera. Boom, I'll put it right here for you, chingadera. Okay? If you know the chingadera. All right, so this is it. OBD2 scanner going out. We're gonna be announcing the winner in the next video. So if you want to be entered, drop a comment. Hashtag chingadera. That's it, homies. We gotta get in there. It's January 31st. We're about to party. We're about to end the year with a bang. So that's it, homies. I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.